Hello, Asian indices edged down today following the unexpected contraction of China's manufacturing PMI to 49.5 in October. This shows a decline from 50.2 from September, which was also the market forecast, and underlines stalled economic recovery in the country. An outlier to the gloomy atmosphere in Asia was Japan's Nikkei index, which rose following the Bank of Japan's decision to keep rates negative while redefining 1% as a loose upper bound for the 10-year bond yield rather than a rigid ceiling. Pfizer announced third-quarter earnings today before market opening, with revenue of $13.2 billion and negative EPS of -17 cents, which are both below the consensus estimates $13.33 billion and -8 cents. Financial report shows us the first quarterly loss since 2019, as the drugmaker recorded $5.6 billion in charges related to its COVID products, like antiviral treatment Paxlovid and vaccine Comirnaty. Bourla, chairman and CEO, indicated that they are encouraged by the strong performance of Pfizer's non-COVID products in the third quarter. The company recently announced a $3.5 billion cost-cutting program as demand for its pandemic-related products has plunged. Pfizer, NYSE, PFE, is trading % higher/lower in pre-market, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Amgen reported third-quarter EPS of $4.96, 28 cents better than the analyst estimate of $4.68. Revenue for the quarter came in at $6.9 billion versus the consensus estimate of $6.92 billion. Big Pharma, which earlier this month acquired Horizon Therapeutics for $27.8 billion, said its third-quarter product sales rose 5% as double-digit volume growth was offset by lower prices. Bradway, chairman and CEO, underlined the importance of the Horizon acquisition, which adds rare disease medicines that fit well in the broad innovative portfolio of Amgen. Arista Networks yesterday posted $1.83 EPS on $1.51 billion revenue for the third quarter, surpassing the $1.58 EPS and $1.48 billion revenue forecast. The networking solutions provider has benefited from upbeat capital spending as demand for cloud computing services has risen in line with the hype for artificial intelligence. However, the surge in the company's shares were based more on Arista's $1.50 to $1.55 billion revenue forecast for the current quarter, which beat analyst estimates of $1.47 billion. The positive forecast highlights the company's expectations for easing supply chain restraints. Arista Networks, NYSE ANET, is trading % higher in pre-market, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Advanced Micro Devices third-quarter earnings are due after the markets close today. Expectations for the company include EPS of 68 cents on $5.7 billion revenue. As PhillipCapital team, we wish you happy and healthy days.